What's up, YouTube? This your man Gerard with D.B.K Mobile Detailing in Charlotte, North Carolina, back with another video. And if you back and you already part of the family, welcome. And if you're not part of the fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today's video, this car right here, which is a 2022 Hyundai Accent, is going to be getting my Ultimate Shine package, which is actually my standard, my basic package, my inside and out. And the customer also added engine cleaning to it. So I'm gonna be showing y'all my method and my quick way I go about doing engine cleaning. And if you're looking for a quick, efficient way to get it done that'll be pleasing to the customer, stick to the end of this video and I'll show y'all exactly how I go about doing it. Also, if you haven't, you can also follow me on Instagram at DBK_mobile_detailing. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up. And like I said, I'll be back. All right, so now we on the engine. We already knocked out the inside, got that out the way. And now I'm finna start on the inside. But before start on the outside. But before I start on the outside, first thing I want to do is go ahead and get this engine out the way. And like I said, this is just the way that I do it. It's quick, efficient, and this is not a show car. So if it was, I would go about doing it a little bit differently. But for the most part, when people want their engine cleaners for everyday, engine clean for everyday, driver cars or whatnot, vehicles, they just want, dust gone, debris, leaves, stuff like this, out the way. pretty much, to kind of make the engine look, I guess, presentable or, not so dirty. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and I take my shop vac and I go ahead and get this stuff out right here. Some of this stuff I just go ahead and vacuum it up. It's a shop vac, ain't gonna hurt nothing. That's it for originally to get up debris, stuff like that. Better yet, let me do it like this. I know somebody gonna say, man, you could have just knocked that out. Yeah, I know, I should have. But I'm just doing it like this. Once I get most of this out, then I go ahead and I take my blower, excuse me, my tornador, blow this stuff out. Really, you can skip the vacuuming, but I had it in. Now, this is the part where I know it's gonna get controversial at, but like I say, this is how I do it. And trust me when I say I do it. I've been doing it this way I know I've done over 100 cars like this, 100 vehicles. No problems, no issues, no nothing. So first thing I do is I take my super clean, which is an engine cleaner as well, straight up, no chase. Undiluted, for those that don't know what unchased means. Take it, pump it up, get up here, spray the whole engine down. Now I'm not trying to get it on the paint. I'm trying not to. Like, as you can see, I'm coming over here and just barely pressing it to get over here. If it does get on the paint, it's fine because we're going to wash it. We're going to put some protection down on it as well. And I just basically just hose the whole engine off. Well, not hose it off, but, spray it all down. Get in there real good, including the battery, just to show you how safe it is. With all of these compartments. And then what I will do is I take my little detail brush up close to these areas like this. Go ahead, just brush it out a little bit. Agitate it, excuse me. Places where I know that dirt like to stick in. Sometimes super clean don't always get it all off. Well, thankfully it's a cool day out here. It's overcast, it's not raining or anything, so I'm a firm believer the longer you can let a product sit, let it dwell, the better results you'll get. I'm not gonna go across the whole engine section like this, just kind of these little intricate parts. Especially the parts that's like surface level where you can see looking at it. Now I already know this is why I'm gonna get the most feedback from, most comments about, but it's okay because like I said, this is how I do it. And it's worked for me and I've done over 100 cars like this. First thing and most important thing you want to do is go ahead and crank the engine up. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Once I fire the engine up, I'm gonna go ahead and hose it off. Now I'm not spraying directly in any particular area. I'm just basically hosing off the super clean on the dirt, dust, and whatever else is left behind. First thing I do is start up top. Look at that dirt. Look at that go. And I'm hosing off the front of the car where any of the super clean may have gotten on, may have. And I work my way back in, hose the battery off as well. And if you see smoke coming up, don't worry about it. That's just the steam from the water. The engine starting to heat up. But like I say, it's running now. And once I did that, basically what I do is I just close the hood, leave the engine running, and I let it dry itself. I'll go ahead and move on to the car, and I'll come back and I'll show you guys my third step. Okay, so I do apologize, fam. I don't know what happened to my mic. I don't know if I muted it by accident or it just timed out. But what I did was I went on ahead and I finished doing the exterior of the vehicle. I washed it, put my spray wax on, did the tires. And the same solution that I'm using right here is what I use to put on the tires as well. It's a product that I get from one of my local detail supply stores called HD Products. And this product can be used on the interior. I don't use it on the interior anymore because it's a little too shiny for my liking. I like that nice matte satin finish. But where this thing really does shine at is on the exterior. I use it on the tires. It's amazing. The trim. And as you see in this clip right here, doing the engine bay, this stuff is amazing. It's a water-based product. It's self-leveling. You spray it on and you can just basically walk away from it. And another added feature that I like of it is, I mean, it's water based, so I can spray it on the tires, and the tires ain't even got to be completely dry, and this stuff will still do its thing. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all up because, like I say, man, I apologize for the audio. But in this next clip, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what the finished product looks like. And like always, if you got something from this video, hit the like button. If you're not a part of the family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And let me know if you like this kind of content. And if you want to see me make more content like this, leave it in the comments and let me know. Anyway, as always, be blessed, be prosperous, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.